Hey everybody, Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Somers Point, New Jersey. Nice chilly day here in the Northeast. Today we're looking at the 2026 Sailfish 316 dual console. This particular boat is powered with the twin Mercury 400 V10s. They're the white colored engines. You have a nice transom here across the back. You have several rod holders, tool holders, live well washdown, and you also have your telescoping ski pylon, which is great. This way, when you are fishing, it's not in the way. You can get it out of the way when you're done using it. Walk through the boat right now, which is nice with the Sailfish. You have a very deep freeboard. You know, I'm pretty tall, but for the shorter people out there, like my camera girl Katie, is this way it keeps you safe when you're out on the boat. You have the dive door right here. Also will close up. This is great for several different features, especially if you're doing a lot of dock and dine, going up next to a floating dock, or if you are fishing, bailing a big old bass, tuna, anything like that. You have several seats across here, which are nice, because then this way, as you're done using them, you have a big entertainment area, and you fold them out of your way. So look at the deck space on this. Plenty of room here, so you can put your bean bags, you can do some deck chairs, everything else like that. You have additional seating over here. This is actually a cooler. You can use it obviously for putting more gear in, your cold beverages. Cold stainless steel cup holders everywhere throughout the boat. All right, so here at the wet bar, this is a great area, prep area. Underneath here, you have a nice cutting board. You also have a faucet for your sink. Never enough, areas in the boat. Also, too, same thing, another larger cutting board here. You also have room in there for bottles and more storage. A lot of storage on this size boat. Nice stainless steel fridge. And then you have 3 drawers here, all for tackle and or whatever that you'd like to put into there, additional cup holders. This particular boat obviously has all the white powder coating. You have your additional rod holders here. PFD storage is up here out of the way, which is nice, because then this way you're not stowing all your gear away inside a compartment, keeping it up out of the way. Very easy to access. So they made a nice upgrade on this boat. You have twin hatches right here for ventilation. You have a nice shot here at the helm when we come up this way. It says the twin Garmin's. You have GPS, chart plotter, your sounder, radar. This also has the Mercury joystick, great for docking. Has the sky hook for holding you over top of your area if you need to step away from the helm to get your lines for gas, and or if you're fishing, get over top of a wreck. Digital throttle and shift makes it very simple and easy for running the boat. You have floor storage in here, also for put your scrub brush, and or you can use it for putting some rods down in there. Ton of space down in there. Walk through the windshield up here in the front. That's something that's nice with this boat here, because it's all glass. So this way it gives you that peace of mind when you're running. Helps keep the elements down. You have a nice part of like a door here for blocking the entrance off in the wind. And then you're coming up here in the front. And again, look how deep this is. And then we have this here. Now this is actually showing with the storage for the cushions and table and everything. Ton of storage in this boat. So this way, if you want to see this or anything else, come see us at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Again, Patrick Loda, 609-926-0600. See you on the water.